Hello everyone, this is me Anamika and this is my YouTube channel Anamika Bin 21. You all know that I have a keep challenge 1 to 30 days that I will speak, I will do practice, and how I do practice I will show to you all. And this is my 26th day of speaking challenge, and you can see the confidence level of my, and I have improved lots of things because of this challenge. And this is my 26th day of speaking challenge, and I'm very happy. And first I want to show my village view, because at this time it is evening time, and I'm show to you all my village view. So you can see this is my roof, and sun is about to set, and I will show you. Here you can see some woods, some dry woods we we have keep on our roof. And so friend, I'm going to show you my field. As you can see friend, sun is about to set, and if you will see in my field, so there is water, everywhere is water and paddy plant. You can see clearly. I can't zoom because one hand I have taken mic and other I have took my cell phone, so that is the reason. And you can see the view of my village, and this view is very nice at this time because this is evening time, so it's looking like very beautiful. And in evening time it is not peaceful full here because it is evening time, but in morning here is much peace. So friend, as you can see, this is our paddy plant, and paddy plant have already lying in field. As you can see friend, everywhere is only paddy plant and some are stand in field. And this is my guava plant, and actually I really like my village view, and I feel peaceful here. So friend, I'm going to show you some idioms and phrases, and I have written 150 idioms, and you can use in your daily life, and you can, when you will deliver any speeches, so you can use there. Like rainy day, it means in Hindi dukho ke din. You all know that at this time many people are facing rainy day because at this time raining is happening, so that is the main reason we are facing lots of problem. So it is called in English rainy day. And second is gala day. It means खुशी भरा दिन. Tomorrow is gala day because I will go in my school, so it is gala day for me. Like you can use like this, and it will help to you. And I have written many things to and from. It means आगे पीछे. He always walk with me to and fro. वह चलता है हमेशा मेरे आगे पीछे. Like this. With joy and zeal. It means with joy and zeal. हर्ष उल्लास के साथ in Hindi. But in English, how you will use these idioms? So I celebrate Diwali with zeal and joy. I celebrate Diwali with zeal and joy. You can use like this. Yeah, I know it is not possible every day, but if you want to speak, if this language is passion for you, So you will definitely use and you will definitely speak one day. You can do it. If you think you can do, if you think you can do it, so definitely you can. And I have written many things here. Blue collar, white collars, turn yellow means घबरा जाना. He saw a snack and he turned yellow. And he turned yellow. While seeing snack, he turned yellow. Like this. Like you written idioms and uses, so you will have to use. Like write any poem in Hindi and then try to translate if you are beginner. So this is the best advice for you. And I have written lots of idioms and phrases, but I can't show to you in a proper way, but I am trying to tell to you all in order to के लिए. बद अच्छा बदनाम बुरा. A bad man is better than a bad name. A bad man is better than a bad name. There are some like spoken tips. This is very nice according to me. We should use in our daily life, like Hindustan Jindabad. How to say in English? Up with India. एक हाथ से ताली नहीं बजती है. A flower doesn't make a garland. I have written many things. रोज कमाना रोज खाना. Living from hand to mouth. Living from hand to mouth. अब now what I will do? Now what I will do? I will use in my daily life. And why I am doing like this front of you all guys? Because I am showing to you that how you can do practice. If you have no idioms, if you have no phrases, so you can go and search on Google and you can find lots of idioms and then try to use in your daily life. जो गरजते हैं वे बरसते नहीं हैं. Barking dogs seldom bite. Barking dogs seldom bite. If you want to say with anyone that जो गरजते हैं वो बरसते नहीं, so you can say barking dog seldom bite. So if you will talk with people and you will use every day, so definitely you will remember for a long time. You can learn for a long time. So friend, एकता ही बल. Unity is strength. I have written lots of spoken tips in my notebook and I am going to like बोलने के समय बोलो. Speak while speaking time. This is use. चलो यह काम कर लें. Let's do this work. चलो वहाँ खाना खा लें. Let's go to eat there. Let's eat there. You can say like this. अब like friend, here is something is different. I'm going to make to you listen all. Like दौड़ना दौड़वाना. We know that run means दौड़ना. और अब जैसे दौड़वाना हो तो how to say? If you want to say दौड़वाना, how to say? So मैं उसे डटवाती हूँ. I make him to scold. I make him scold. मैं तुमको एक पत्र लिखवाती हूँ. I get a letter write to you. वह मुझसे झूठ बुलवाया. He made me tell a lie. He made me tell a lie. मैंने आपको यहाँ बुलवाया. I made you call here. सीमा मुझे दिल्ली भिजवाएगी. सीमा will make me send to Delhi. वह मेरी गाय को पिटवा रहा है. He is making my cow beat. So friend, I think you have already learned many things from this video and here I have written get plus verb का third form. It means get means होता है वा दो. मुझे भी अंग्रेजी बोलवा दो. I make like get me also spoken English. यह पंखा बनवा दो. Get this fan repaired. यह चॉकलेट बच्चों में बंटवा दो. Get this chocolate distributed among the children. like this you can you can use in your daily life, and this is very easy for everyone, so you should use in your life. And friend, this is not difficult. I am trying to tell to everyone that in a simple sentence, because this video is not for fluent speaker. This video is for only for beginners, the person who is beginner, who can understand to me that what I am saying to them, so they can understand. You can practice like this, so definitely. And like I have already done my practice, and now what I will do, I will speak, I will use in my daily life, then I can remember for a long time. So I hope friend this video is really informative for you all, so must subscribe my channel and don't forget to like my video. I will meet you with another topic. Thank you very much for watching this video.